Donald Trump just shattered decades of presidential protocol right on the floor of the New York Stock Exchange. He seized the hammer, rang the opening bell, and instantly claimed credit for the soaring market. Look at those green charts. Trump points, claiming credit for every market gain. This breaks a long-standing rule: presidents stay quiet on stock moves, but he doesn't care. He links his presidency directly to your wallet. But analysts warn, this victory lap is dangerous. If you claim credit for the market's record highs, you must own the inevitable crash. When the bubble bursts, the blame falls squarely on you. Look at the boards. The Dow and S&P 500 are smashing through all-time highs. Why? Pure artificial intelligence fever. Wall Street is betting everything on the AI revolution, and the bulls are running wild. Listen to the chaos. Half the floor is riding the high, screaming for green. The other half is sweating bullets, waiting for the crash. Here, 1 second makes you rich, the next ruins you. Script for Scene 6. They warned him. They said the market was a ticking time bomb, but Trump didn't care. He ignored every single red flag, staking his entire political future on the chaotic movements of a volatile ticker tape. Trump stands tall, showered in ticker tape, completely unfazed. Meanwhile, Wall Street panic spreads. Traders stare at bleeding screens, watching the sudden crash in absolute terror. The market is collapsing, and nobody knows what comes next. Now the blame game begins. Critics point fingers straight at Trump, claiming his policies triggered this massive market crash. The president faces the heat, but can he turn the tide before it's too late? Trump isn't backing down. He's pointing fingers straight at the Federal Reserve and his political rivals, claiming they engineered this massive market crash just to destroy him. Is this revenge, or is he right? Excuses don't matter anymore. Panicked investors are hitting the sell button, dumping shares fast. The market is bleeding out, and stock prices are plunging deeper into the red. There is no stopping this crash. Script right, Trump stop bleed. Text, panic grips Wall Street. Trump calls emergency meeting. Tax cuts are coming, he promises, desperate to stop the bleeding. Will this massive gamble save the economy, or will it crash even harder? Wall Street erupted. The promised tax cuts triggered a massive buying frenzy as traders scrambled for a piece of the pie. But look closer. Experts warn this sudden spike is nothing but a temporary illusion. Just when hope returned, the market ripped it away. The brief rally evaporated, sending shares into a brutal, unstoppable freefall. Investors watched in absolute horror as their life savings vanished into thin air. Look at this, the greatest economy in the world completely gone. Silence. No tickers, no shouting, no deals, it is all over. How did we let it get this far? What do we do now? This silent, empty trading floor stands as a grim warning. The dust has settled, but the scars remain. Will the next generation of leaders learn from this catastrophe, or are we doomed to repeat history?